Introduction to JavaScript arrays. Arrays in JavaScript are special objects that store multiple values in a single variable. They are ordered, meaning the values are indexed starting from 0. Arrays can hold any data type, including numbers, strings, objects, and even other arrays. To create an array, use square brackets, and separate the values with commas. Accessing array elements. You can access individual elements of an array using their index. The index starts from 0, so the first element is at index 0, the second at index 1, and so on. To access an element, use the array variable name followed by square brackets containing the index. Modifying array elements. You can modify array elements by assigning a new value to a specific index. Array length. To get the length of an array, use the length property. It returns the number of elements in the array. Adding elements to an array. You can add elements to the end of an array using the push method. It appends one or more elements to the array. Removing elements from an array. To remove elements from an array, you can use the pop method. It removes the last element from the array and returns that element. Iterating over an array. You can loop through each element of an array using different looping constructs like for loop or for each method. Here's an example of each. Array methods for manipulation. JavaScript provides several useful array methods for manipulating arrays. Some common methods include push, adds one or more elements to the end of an array. Pop, removes the last element from an array and returns it. Shift, removes the first element from an array and returns it. Unshift, adds one or more elements to the beginning of an array. Splice, modifies an array by adding, removing, or replacing elements at a specific index. Slice, creates a new array by extracting a section of an existing array. Concat, combines two or more arrays into a new array. Index of, returns the first index at which a given element can be found in the array. Includes, checks if an array includes a specific element and returns a Boolean value. Join, joins all the elements of an array into a string. Reverse, reverses the order of elements in an array. Common use cases. JavaScript arrays are versatile and commonly used in various scenarios, including storing and organizing collections of data, iterating over elements for processing or display, implementing data structures like stacks, queues, and linked lists, sorting and filtering data, implementing algorithms and solving coding challenges. These are just a few examples of the many use cases for JavaScript arrays. In this tutorial, you learned about JavaScript arrays, their basic operations, and important methods for manipulation. Arrays are fundamental data structures in JavaScript and provide a powerful way to work with collections of data. By understanding arrays and their methods, you can efficiently handle complex tasks in your JavaScript programs. Experiment with arrays and explore additional methods to deepen your understanding of their capabilities.